Hey guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I am bringing you the unboxing of the Lian GB001 GPU anti-sag bracket. So what this is used for is to ensure if you're horizontally mounting your GPU for it not to sag. Now why I'm putting it on here, I'll go through that as well. Alright, so as you guys might appreciate, when you're using the PCIe Express slot on your motherboard, which is that place here, there's a little clip like this. So this clip is right there, it's something like there. So when I was pulling it off, it just came off so easy, like it was just super easy, just came out, no issues at all, and it was broken. Okay, so to get this done, I contacted the manufacturer here in Australia, Gigabyte. I've got a Aorus Master X 570 and they advised me they don't replace that. Okay, so what I did was just to hold the GPU. Not only does it stop it from sagging, it also holds the GPU in place as well. So I've gotten this to ensure that it doesn't pop out when I'm moving the CPU around. And without further ado, let's get this unboxing underway. Alright, so the box is pretty straightforward. Okay, nothing too fancy here. I've got a Lian leak case as well. So let's look at what we've got. So that's basically it. You don't get anything else. Get a little book. Okay, so I'll put that aside. Get that. And we've got some screws here with it. Okay, so hopefully all of this will ensure that it goes in place, and the manual is pretty straightforward as well, like there's nothing fancy here. It might not be straightforward in terms of installing it, but it should be pretty easy to do that. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about it. Subscribe, like, and all that stuff. Thank you so much. Bye bye.